sekali. Today we're gonna make a video practice English video.
Enjoy watching.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Okay.
Do you check the visa document every day?
Yes, I do. I check it in the morning.
Do you also manage the port facility?
No, I don't know facility order by this time.
What time do you usually start work?
I start from 8 a.m. and finish 4 p.m.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. It's very important for part of study.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Do you check in visa document in the morning?
Yes, I check in the morning.
Do you also manage the part of facility?
No, I don't. The officer manages them.
What time do you ask to start work?
I start work at 8 a.m.